Before you embark on your journey, there are 10 essential travel tips to keep in mind. First, research your destination thoroughly. Knowing the culture, customs, and must-see spots can make a huge difference. Next, plan your budget wisely. It's easy to overspend when you're excited. When packing, think smart, roll your clothes to save space and always pack a reusable water bottle. Learning a few basic phrases in the local language can go a long way in connecting with locals. Stay safe and informed by keeping up with travel advisories and local news. Staying connected is crucial. Consider getting a local SIM card or portable Wi-Fi. Always be respectful of local customs and traditions. It shows appreciation for the culture. Flexibility is key. Sometimes the best experiences come from unexpected changes in plans. Don't forget travel insurance. It's a small price for peace of mind. Most importantly, enjoy the journey. Take time to relax, have fun, and create unforgettable memories along the way.